Commerce graduates, we have new avenues up for you, and one of that is applying for IRMS, Indian Railway Management Services. Now, if you are a commerce student, then you can apply for Indian Railway Management Services going through CSC, Civil Services Examination, common prelims as you have for your IAS, IPS, IFS, and then once you qualify the prelims, you would be appearing for a separate mains. In that mains category, there are only 4 subjects, 3 from engineering and 1 for commerce graduates. So if you are a commerce student, even if you are not a commerce student and you want to apply with commerce as an optional, so preferably you should be a commerce student in order to perform better there. So if you have commerce as your background, you can choose commerce as an optional in IRMS, Indian Railway Management Services, a very upcoming field that you must apply for. The exam would start from 2023, and that's what the notification says of now. Wish you very good luck and don't miss this golden opportunity that comes for you.